VIDAA. It's all about you.
Hello, my name is Dennis and I'm here to introduce to you the new VIDAA 4 operating system, a major breakthrough and a giant leap forward in the development of the VIDAA OS. The major difference, it is no longer a smart TV operating system that will be focused around applications and having as many of them on the platform as possible, but it focuses on content and on users. The key is easy discoverability, speed of access, while at the same time maintaining a very efficient, very fast, and very responsive operating system. Probably one of the best ones, the most responsive ones that are out there in the market. Of course, the operating system has Alexa built in, which means it's got voice integration. You can use voice both for just controlling the TV itself, or more importantly, also using all the assistant capabilities that are on the system, such as checking for weather, checking the news, and similar. The key difference is that this operating system also has a user management system. The user management system allows for you to easily migrate between different devices inside of your household, or when you buy a new VIDAA TV, you simply input your existing VIDAA account to get all the capabilities that you had on the previous TV. The key difference with the operating system on the home launcher is, first of all, there's 13 application tiles that are immediately visible for the end consumer. And we're trying to create an optimal balance between global and local players. Here you can see the operating system set up for the UK. And as you can see, we've got the global players, while at the same time, we're also exposing the key local players as well, like the BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, or Channel 4. The key is to find a nice balance of local and global content. We call this mixture the glocal offering. All of these applications are done market by market. There's a flexible back-end system where we are able to automatically program the different territories with different applications as they come. So this is the user interface for the UK. If you were to set it up for Germany, it will be a completely different user interface. It does allow us also a lot of flexibility. The system is cloud-based, which means that when we launch a new application, we don't have to update the entire TV. All we do is we use the cloud system to program the application tiles. Very, very simply, we program it for that specific territory and the application becomes automatically visible in all supported devices. There's also long tail content available inside of the application store for those looking for niche applications or something that is particularly close to their heart. Another important feature of our operating system are the content carousels. When you move below the fold, we are trying to expose as much content as possible for the end consumer to allow them easy access to what is inside of the application. We do metadata integrations with all partners, which means that they provide us a library and then we have the option to promote the content for them. These content carousels can be moderated manually. We have a content programming team that actually works with our partners to manually curate, or we can have automatic APIs where the partners themselves fill in the content as they please. They can change it by day, they can even change it every single couple of hours. There's a very nice mixture of content partners here. There's some that are local, there's some that are global, and we try to create the best user experience for each specific market. Just like the application tiles themselves, the content carousels are also customized market by market, which means the offering in the UK would be completely different to the one for let's say, Germany, South Africa, Mexico, or Australia. All these content posters are directly and deep linked into the application themselves, which allows for very, very easy access to the content with just one click. Again, focusing on our mission, which is being content and user-centric. We also allow content metadata to be deep linked into our search algorithm, which allows us to enable easy platform search across multiple platforms. Another very nice feature that we've got on the VIDAA 4 system is the introduction of the VIDAA Free service. It can be accessed using the free button on the remote control or accessing the application tile. Now, VIDAA Free is our own application, but it doesn't really host any content of its own. As I've said, because we have metadata, we are able to integrate all the different AVOD providers into a single space. So when a customer clicks the VIDAA Free button, they know they're going to be getting access to a very rich library of advertising supported, meaning free content. So here for the UK, as you can see, there's content from Plex, there's content from Toon Goggles, there's live channels from Relax TV, and you've got some YouTube stuff in there as well. This is also done market by market. We try to be language sensitive, which means that in Germany, we will be programming the German content in there as well. And the principle for these sliders is the same as it is in the home launcher. They can either be curated by our team, our content programming team, or they can be curated completely automatically using automated APIs. Another nice feature of this VIDAA 4 platform is the VIDAA Art service. This is also a unique feature on our platform. It can be accessed using a remote control direct access button or using the application .tile art inside of our system. Now, VIDAA Art is more than just a screensaver. It's actually an art gallery at your fingertips. We've partnered with DeviantArt, which is the largest social network for content creators, for artists. Their library includes over 380 million pieces of digital art, and you can use any of them to browse through them or set it up as a screensaver or as an extra piece of art in your living room. There's a whole bunch of settings that you can do, meaning you can change the time it requires to switch between different slides, you can create galleries, or you can even upload your own art. It's a unique feature, it's constantly developing, and it's actually very live. In a nutshell, this is VIDAA U4. It's out there in the market, being available on Hisense and Toshiba devices, and also on a few OEM brands themselves. Thank you.
VIDAA. It's all about you.